वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली, सावध आनी भलायकेन, आनी ह्या गरमेन तुमी सगळीं जाणां उदक पियेतात आनी वॉटरमेलन खातात. आय होप यू आर ऑल डुईंग वेल इन दीस समर. And as our Easter is coming, so I am trying this time to show you all how to make hot cross bun without eggs. Eggless hot cross bun. If anybody wants to add egg on this, you can add. Just one egg it is. But some people don't eat eggs. Then it is for them. And for others also. I myself prefer breads without egg. So let's start. So what we need is proven yeast. So I have taken 1 cup of milk, and in that I have added 2 teaspoons of yeast. Okay, few minutes and it is done. Then I'll be using this because hot cross bun always is been stuffed with some black currants or some tutti fruttis or some kishmish. So I'm going to add this. Then we need some flour to make paste to make the cross. So this is normal maida, that is flour, a white flour or maida, and I will be adding little bit of milk or water you can add and make a paste and then do a piping. Then we need a flour, so I'm taking, so this is my size for yeast, that is 2 teaspoons I have taken. Here it is of this 2, and this is my measurement cup for flour. So I am taking around 2 cups. So 2 cups of flour. So mix this like this, and we'll add our yeast. And we'll all mix this. Now salt I will add later. First I want to mix this all nicely. So milk also is 1 cup. And make a dough, and we have to keep this for proving, and it has to be double. I'm using olive oil. You can use butter or you can use normal oil if you don't have olive oil. Now I am adding a pinch of salt to this, a pinch. and knead this. Nicely. So you can stretch it. The more you stretch, the more it is better. Put this oil a little bit, few drops. And we'll keep this now for rolling. So it has to be double in volume. Cover and so it should be 1 hour to 2 hours, depends on the weather and climate. Okay, and you can keep other things ready later. Oven has to be preheat on 180 degrees for 10 minutes. You have to preheat it, and then baking time is 20 to 25 minutes. So I am making this and keeping ready paste, thick paste. Now again, if you want to make this paste with water, yes, you can make. So with this we are going to make the cross later. And how many buns you are making, that much you have to make the paste. So what I am going to show you all today, you can make of this cross. You can use white sesame to make cross, or you can use black sesame to make the cross. So we'll keep this also aside, and a little bit of salt we will add in this also. Then keep your milk room temperature, ready to brush so little milk you need, not much. So because this is eggless, so this is enough to brush on the breads before baking. Okay, done. Keep this. So now here it is. So we will try to remove the air bubbles, and we'll make small balls and keep for second proving. You make ball accordingly, and then we'll add some dry fruits, raisins, and then fold this. So like this only we will place it like this, and do all others, and keep a gap between this buns. Okay, the next procedure, and leave it for another 1 hour for double proving. You can add your tutti frutti and all that thing, stuff it, or if you want again when you are making the dough starting also, you can add this. So here is our breads, that is hot cross bun. Now we will do a cross. So I have used a piping bag. To make a cross. So just make a cross. And I have kept the oven for preheating, and if you want you can make of black sesame also. So it's total up to you. You can make of this way or this way. And I am going to use some white. And if you want, you can give a milk wash on this. And now we will bake this in a preheated oven on 180 degrees for around 25 minutes. We have to bake this. Now we will bake this. And here it is 180, and now I will put it for 25 minutes. Okay, I'll show you the result later. So here it is after baking, and we already ate. It's very yummy and tasty. I think so this was a little bit thinner, so tomorrow I will make more breads, and I will show you all over there also how to make patti of cross. And with a thick paste, I think so my paste was a little bit thinner. I had to make a thick paste, more thick paste. So I will show you that also tomorrow with a new batch. So I will have to add more raisins and dry fruits also. So again I will show you all, and I will again bake few more hot cross bun, and I will add loads and show you all. Thank you. So here again, so yesterday I was not happy when it came out and the cross was not visible, so I did again now. So what I have done some pattis like this, plain maida flour, that is a white flour, kneaded with water, a pinch of salt, and I roll it and I gave this, I cut it into strips. And the other one what I'm trying today with a thick paste, yesterday was been like little bit thin paste, so today I've taken a thick paste. So either you can make this way or this way. So first I will brush some milk on this because it is eggless. And then I will put this like this. And the cross. Then with the others, which is a thick paste, if you don't want to roll it, so we'll do this way also. And here it is, and now it will go for baking. Same procedure, 180 degrees, and you bake for 30 minutes. I will show you the result. Middle rack, and we'll keep this for 30 minutes. So it is properly done, 180 degrees. So here the breads are ready and very happy with the result. It's hot actually. And this is also cooked. So this process, what is of making of cross, is good, and this one is also good. So you can try, either make a thick paste and then with a piping bag you can put, or you roll it a normal chapati like, and then you make a strip. So either way. And these are eggless, so enjoy. And here is our kishmish and raisins and nuts, everything is there. Enjoy this Easter hot cross buns. Thank you. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां सगल्यांक हें आवडटलें आनी करून तुमी हें खायात, हॉट क्रॉस बन ह्या इस्टराक. Thank you.